Hey, no gas here. Went ahead and I bought some SharkRoad 4.4 slip-ons for the motorcycle here. So I'm gonna check them out. I haven't even opened the box yet, so let's check that out first. Out the old knife. Cut that dude open. I ordered these a few days ago and said it was going to show up on Monday and showed up a day early, so happy about that. Well, we got a box in a box. Looks like it's pretty well packed. There. Oh yeah, that's what they look like. It says that's something to say for my Road Glide Special 2023 Road Glide Special. So here, yeah, this is the bigger end here. If you notice, the end that slips on, one side's bigger than the other. And I think the narrow end goes on the passenger side and the big end goes on the driver's side, but don't quote me on that yet. All right, well, time to get busy. Okay, before we put the new slip-ons on, let's go ahead and do a sound test on these original factory pipes that I have and see what they sound like. So here comes factory. All right, those were the factory pipes. Now we'll go ahead and throw on the slip-ons, the SharkRoad 4.5 slip-ons, and we'll see what that sounds like. All right, so go ahead and get the saddlebags off. There's just a couple releases here. Get that off. That one out. Take this one out. Go. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. All right, now that the side bags are off, we can see where the bolt attachments are. Right here. I have to take these two bolts off. Over here I have a shield clamp, but this is the clamp that holds the slip-on on, so we'll have to take that loose. I think I can do it without taking the shield off. I'm going to try to do that first. Alright, so this is a 1/2-inch wrench. These guys, see if we can break these without knocking the bike off the what? Alright, got those broken. So this one here is a 9/16 wrench. So we can get this guy to go. Oh, I might have to put this down on the floor. I'm afraid. Oh yeah, no. Makes me too nervous doing this up in the air like that. All right, there it is. Now I got the bike back on the floor, so I don't have to be so scared. All right, where's that sucker? There it is right there. And they got a little piece of pipe. Give me some leverage. Get this going the right way. Yep. Lefty loosey. Oh, there she goes. All right, now I'm finished taking these out. All right, that dude's loose. And that dude's loose. All right, let's try to get these off. It's moving. There she is. Out with the old. Here we go. This is the driver's side, and this is the skinny end. All right, skinny end, 4.5. Right. I'm just going to take my rubber mallet and pop this on a little bit. There she goes. All right, slide this bad boy on. Line that up. Put these in. Actually, I'm going to get some blue Loctite. Just going to put a little Loctite on here. All right, and this side. Put a little Loctite on this one. All right, and then we'll tighten this up down here. All right, that's one side. We're halfway done. I'll go ahead and do the other side, put her together, and then we'll do another sound check. Hey, this is No Gas. Thanks for dropping in. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a current subscriber, thank you. If not, please subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost a thing.